Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we got a real quick one. We're going to cover those nasty circles under the eyes. You know how like we all work a little too hard or don't get enough sleep and we wind up with those dark circles underneath our eyes. And so we don't want those in our pictures. So we do our best to try to correct those. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your thing and make a duplicate background, Command and Control J, okay, and that will make a background duplicate. All right, now we're going to take this background duplicate here and we are going to make an adjustment and we are going to desaturate it. Okay, turn it essentially to black and white. And we're doing this because we're essentially want the texture of this. And because we don't want to, lighten up and paint and have all the texture and all the character of the person's face lost. So we're going to go up to Filter and then Offset, High Pass. Okay. And now you're going to move your radius to where you see the details of the skin, okay, so that you could see the lines still in it, and that looks pretty good. So I'm going to do about 5 here, okay, and then I'm going to change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Okay, so now we have that, and now I want to turn around and I want to make a new layer. So I'm going down to the very background layer and I'm going to hit a new layer. And that's right in between the two there. And I want to make this layer to be a clipping mask to this layer. So I'm going to hold the Alt option till I get the arrow. And now this is a clipping mask that affects only this layer here. Okay, so with this layer selected, now it's just a simple matter of painting with this good skin tone. So we're going to select the good skin tone. Okay, so I'll select that skin tone right there. And now I'm going to take a brush. And on that blank layer, I'm going to paint very low, maybe 5% flow. Okay, and I'm going to use a very soft brush. Okay, 0 hardness. And then I'm going to just simply brush in the effect. And you'll notice, okay, that we're preserving the lines, the creases, the texture, the detail of the skin. We're not losing that when we make these adjustments. We're still maintaining. And you just go over it as many times as you need to make the effect that you wish. And like anything else, less is more. And now you could see the before and the after. And it's very natural looking because we still have the texture of the skin. And so therefore, that's how we remove dark circles from underneath the eyes. All right, guys. Till next week, you guys take care.